AirMixAir offers a patented technology that enables air conditioner outlets to disperse air in an effective and efficient way to reduce air conditioner drafts. Have you ever been in a restaurant while others are comfortable and you're freezing? AirMixAir fixes that. Are there endless arguments in your office over the air conditioning outlet and drafts? AirMixAir fixes that. Or has the temperature in class been too cold for you to learn while others have been able to? AirMixAir fixes that. Numerous simulations and experiments were performed to compare the standard and AirMixAir outlet to show the velocity, temperature, and speed of cooling a room. The simulations and tests were performed in Aachen, Germany, Israel, and Japan. Many of the results were simply incredible. Simulations were performed using Comparative CFD simulation and an advanced generator. One just needs to look at the increased dispersion of the smoke to start to understand the impact of the outlet. Temperature distribution by CFD analysis showed a much faster cooling down of the room with the AirMixAir outlet. Or one can look at the defined pattern that the standard outlet generates as measured by a computer compared to the increased dispersion pattern of the AirMixAir outlet. In a room that was specially customized for thermal imaging, we did a number of experiments to prove the AirMixAir efficacy. Screens were placed in a specially laid out room. In the following video you will notice the results with the high in red and yellow and the low in blue and white. We conducted a temperature and velocity experiment to compare the standard and the AirMixAir outlet. There is a clear differentiation of results from the standard versus the AirMixAir outlet when one looks at the camera images on a timed release basis. Laid out next to each other, one can clearly see the difference between the two. AirMixAir outlet provided a much more homogeneous temperature. In fact, it was 41% more efficient in its distribution. It also cooled the room much faster, reaching a steady state temperature in 30 to 45% faster than the standard outlet. When comparing cooling ability of the regular outlet versus the AirMixAir outlet, there was a 2-degree differential between the regular outlet and the AirMixAir outlet from the high to the low. When we looked at two surfaces, it was again 2 degrees, but it was 1.5 degrees to 3.5 degrees. A significant increase over the one surface experiment. You too can enjoy air conditioning in a restaurant, in your classroom, or in the office with no drafts and an even temperature. For more information on AirMixAir, please go to www.airmixair.com or call 786-474-2898.